So let's talk about absorption fridges. Now we are in the all new 2026 𝗚𝘃 Autograph XT. This has an absorption fridge. Other motorhomes may have it, your caravan may have it as well. Basically, an absorption fridge can work on 3 different power types: 230 volt, 12 volt and gas, and that's all controlled from this control panel up here. Now, depending on your fridge type, you may have a different control panel, but they're all largely the same. So make sure it's turned on with the power button. This one is, we have a blue light above, and then we have a menu button in the middle. On this one, it's the square button. So we press it, and then you'll get some blue lights up. At the moment, we have a plug socket, and a bar from 1 to 5 that tells you how chilled that fridge is. So if you want to change the different power type, all you do, press the menu button, lights up the screen, press and hold it until it flashes, and now we have A. Now A is automatic, so basically it automatically selects which power source it needs. So it will start with 230 volt electricity, and if it doesn't find a hookup, it will then switch to gas. If it doesn't find gas and you're plugged in, you're towing, if you're a caravan, it will then go on to 12 volt. Now 12 volt maintains a temperature, it doesn't chill it, so you have to make sure you cool it first on mains or gas, and then when you're traveling, you put it on that 12 volt mode. It might be a battery setting, and then it will keep it at that temperature while you're traveling. So we're going to scroll through the modes now, and we use these arrows. So we go off to A because you can select each source manually. We have a plug socket, which is 230 volts. We have the battery setting, which is the travel setting. And then we have the flame setting, so it will run off of gas. Easy thing to do, go back to A, put it on automatic. Press the menu button again, and then you're going through onto how chilled you'd like it. Level 3 is normally about right for your everyday travel. If it's warmer, you may need to chill the fridge a bit more, and you can use setting 5. When you have the setting you need, press the panel, and that's it. What about using gas with the fridge? Obviously, you have to make sure your gas is turned on before you are using your fridge on gas. And importantly, if you are setting off again, just to make sure you turn that gas off. If the caravan or motorhome is new, or if you've turned it off with the manifold, just check that the manifold is open. They're normally found in the kitchen area.